Okay, we got puffins for breakfast. This is a puffin, and we had strawberries. We ate them all, and apples. Ate them all. And we're waiting for. What are we waiting for?
Truck.
What trucks?
Garbage truck.
Garbage trucks.
Yes.
Garbage truck. Garbage truck. And it's coming. Here it comes. Garbage truck. Boom. Black.
I mean, blue boat that comes last. Where are you seeing us? Alright, I'm gonna get you fruit. What do you want?
It's cut.
What do you want, apple?
Yeah. Whoa.
Look at, that's the last one. What's up, Charlie? Go on. Wow. The garbage man. Sanitation worker. Whoa, you're doing that. Wow.
Thank you, appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Oh, when I'm here, I come early. Later, Charlie. Let's see next time. Remember to bring you a little, small sanitation, little can. To put his prayer. I don't have them, but I'm gonna remember next time. Well, I'll tell Ben to bring him one. Thank you.
It's Jose, right?
Yeah, every Tuesday. Yeah, we have these little small sanitation cans. Put your hunters and your
I'm gonna ask him if he wants a coffee. It's coming.
Yeah.
One more and here he comes.
And he's got a bunch to do on this street. Uh-oh, that one didn't work. There it goes. Oh, did a double.
What? Which one did it work? The other day was... What was the other day?
I think it's always black first and last.